Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices ready. Sign into Netflix on your phone and confirm the TV or streaming stick is powered and on the same Wi-Fi. Once done, open the Netflix app on your phone and allow camera access. That permission is what lets you scan QR codes securely. Make sure you're using the account you want to link. Do this now so the app can generate or scan codes without interruption and to avoid having to switch accounts mid-process. Next, you create or scan the QR code to establish the connection. On the TV app, navigate to the link device or Get Started screen and show the QR code. On your phone, open Netflix and select Scan QR. Hold the phone steady and center the code in the camera frame. The app reads it automatically. Once the code is recognized, the apps exchange a token to authenticate your session. This avoids typing long codes and reduces errors from manual entry. Finish by confirming the TV shows your profile or a success message. You should see the device in Netflix's linked devices or start streaming immediately. If nothing happens, make sure the camera permission is enabled and that both devices stay on the same Wi-Fi. Once done, try rescanning from a brighter screen or restart the Netflix app. This often clears session errors. If issues continue, reboot the TV or router, then repeat the scan. That typically resolves lingering connection or network faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.